Hey guys, it's Stella, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this super cute and easy strawberry nail art, perfect for the summer. So let's get started. Start off by applying a base coat to protect your natural nails from staining and to prolong your manicure. Now paint your nails a bright red strawberry color. Now using a dotting tool or toothpick dipped in bright yellow nail polish, paint on the seeds. And to keep it natural, I like to stagger them every line. Now using a green polish, it can be light green, it can be dark green, whatever green you like, and a detailing brush, paint on 4 or 5 leaves, going off of the shape of a triangle, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Make them a little bent, make them look natural. And if one coat is too sheer, you can always let it dry and paint on another coat. Another tip to make the green pop a little more is to paint on the leaves with white nail polish first and then paint on the green. But for me, I decided to just do the green. Now taking a cleanup brush dipped in acetone, I'm just going to clean up around the cuticle line. And last but certainly not least, apply a glossy top coat to seal in the design, prolong your manicure, and add a nice shine. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!